Hello again, YouTubers, Autonomous SpongeBob11 back here again on the Other Stuff channel with another flight experience. We are here today this very early morning at Nashville International Airport, and today we'll be flying Delta Airlines from Nashville up to Minneapolis, St. Paul. So without further ado, let's go and get checked in here at the Delta check-in. This is flight 3 out of 6 of our Delta experiences on this trip. So Delta checks in at the north ticket counter over here, and yeah, really excited to go fly Delta again. Okay, so we're all checked in and now ready to head through security. Look at this great atrium here. Very nice here in Nashville, Tennessee. And all right, we're through security, heading over to the A and B gates because our flight leaves from B5 to Minneapolis, Delta 2221. Gonna take a walk around the terminal for a bit, and then we'll go to the gate. Stopped off at Terminal or Concourse C to get some hot chicken, and then we'll head back to Concourse B for our flight to Minneapolis. A really nice airport. I really enjoy traveling through here. It's really nice, and the shops are open way early, so it's now 5:20 in the morning and everything is basically open. So Delta flies depart here from Concourse B, and we are heading to our gate B5 for our very early flight to Minneapolis. And that right there is our plane, ship 3869 up to Minneapolis. I'll have a closer look at the registration. I'll put it up on the screen, but yeah, let's go to Minneapolis. All right, boarding. I'll be sitting in seat 27F, so we'll be on the right side of the plane. Hello, good morning.
Take your assigned seats quickly and safely. If you haven't already, place those larger bags in the overhead bins. Smaller bags may be stowed under the seat or in your seat pocket. Larger electronic devices must be stowed in a bag and not in seat pockets. If you are seated in an exit seat, please review the exit seat criteria and responsibilities on the information card in your seat pocket. Condition which prevents you from performing or feel you might suffer bodily harm should you perform these functions, please contact the flight attendant for reseating. Some free Wi-Fi is available on today's flight for SkyMile members. Connect to the Delta Wi-Fi network to get started. If you're not a SkyMile member, it's very easy and free to sign up. See the seatback card for more information. Once we're closed the boarding door, Wi-Fi will be available until we arrive in Minneapolis. We're almost ready to go, so take your seats, fasten your seatbelts. Boston and base flight attendants are excited to take care of you. We extend a special welcome to our Sky Miles and Medallion members, and we appreciate you continuing to trust your travel with us.
We are all on a path. Sometimes we know where it leads, and sometimes our paths lead us to unexpected places. But the places that take us along the way become the stories we tell. This summer, we celebrate the paths taken by family, friends, and athletes to adventure and glory. At Delta, your journey is important, and we are honored to be a part of it. Because the best path is the one we take together. Welcome aboard the official airline of Team USA. Welcome aboard
choosing Delta. The health and safety of our customers and crew is our #1 priority and a shared responsibility of sudden rough air. In the event of rough air, the crew might also need to buckle up for safety. We have an escape strap attached inside the window frame, which can be used to assist in a water evacuation onto the wing. In the event of an evacuation, leave all bags behind. Carrying baggage will slow the evacuation. All exits.
As we get ready for takeoff, please settle in. And from all of our crew, thank you
For flying with Delta.
Mode and turn Wi-Fi on. Next, choose the deltawifi.com network. If the Wi-Fi sign-in page does not open, once connected, you can explore curated experiences from brands you love, all with a SkyMiles member.
lavatory time. So I'm in one of the rear lavatories. We've got a coat hook. We've got no smoking. All hard to shut. A off-length mirror. This side as well. And then over here we've got the nappy changing table. Flush, toilet bowl, some seat covers I see, and then the mirror, tissues, paper towels, soap, and the sink. So yeah, that's the lavatory on the 737-900ER.
Welcome to Minneapolis, where the local time is 7:57. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carry-on items stowed until the captain has turned on the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight, and please ensure you have all of your personal belongings before deflating. As we reach our gate, we invite you to use the Fly Delta app for more important baggage and connection information. You may receive an email asking you to share your feedback, and we value your feedback and use your responses to improve your future travel experiences. On behalf of this wicked awesome Boston-based crew, thank you for choosing Delta, and we look forward to seeing you soon. If Minneapolis is your final destination, you can pick up your bags at baggage claim 6. Again, that's baggage claim 6. If you're coming into Minneapolis today to catch a connection, we did come into gate G18. That's G18. Flight attendants, disarm doors for arrival, cross-check and all call.
Thank you. Thank you. Well, welcome to Minneapolis, St. Paul. That was a pretty great flight on Delta, and so happy to be back here, albeit only for 2 hours. So yeah. Alright guys, so that's all for this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys again next time. We'll be connecting here in Minneapolis, St. Paul, over to Rapid City, South Dakota. So that's where our next flight experience will take us. Also on Delta, this time on Delta Connection. So yeah, just gonna enjoy being here in MSP Airport for about 2 hours, and you can see there the highway sign to Bloomington, Minnesota, where the Mall of America is. And I really wish I could go, but unfortunately it's not on our itinerary for now. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye.